Well, it's been several weeks since I posted a video, and several people have been asking me when I'm going to post another one, so I decided to go ahead and make one this evening after another day at work. So actually quite a lot's been done since the last video. Basically the interior, everything up to the roof is pretty well completely finished. So what we're looking at here is the front of her house. I've got the railings up, the front porch. That's the support frame for the roof that goes over the front porch. We've Thompson water sealed the whole exterior. She didn't really like the cedar color, so she had tried maybe using a different stain, but didn't really like that either. The problem with Thompson's water seal, once it fully dries, it's really hard to stain anything over it. So we've come up with another technique that we're going to do on the house that hopefully will fix her color issue. But basically I'm going to have to sand off that top layer of that stain right there. It's stuck to the Thompsons to get that back down. So got the locks in the front door, and we've pretty much got all the interior done. Still waiting on the countertop. The first one they cut had a wrong size sink in it. So that's her material right there to make her cushions for her couch. And got all the trim work done on all the windows. Of course the cabinets are in. I think they were in on the last video. And so now we got all that. This is new. Got her 2 barn doors built. So I made those out of 1x8s, and then hung them up on a little trolley frame there, which this is pretty cool. So if you want to close the bathroom door, you just do that right there, and then open them back up. And she's actually going to paint these doors. I think she's going to paint them red and put some knobs on. So here's her composting toilet. She's actually going to paint the seat part there. That's built out of the plywood. I've got the tub in now. Her Country Line water tank, which is her thing. And there's the drain right there. And I'll tell you, getting that drain sealed properly and being able to pipe that in, outflow drain was a little bit of a challenge, but I figured it out. Got some ceiling in now. So she went with a birch beaded ceiling. Actually really pretty. Got kind of a semi-gloss finish on it. There's a light and fan for the bathroom and the bedroom. I got her bed finished. So I think that's a pretty cool little detail right there. These drawers actually just slide out, and then when you push them back in, they go flush with the trim. And she put a couple cool, cute little knobs on there. That's her rug. It goes in the living room. And then here is the other barn door right there. And also, she's got the beaded birch ceiling in here. Still got to put a little piece of edge trim around the junction there between the wall and the ceiling. We haven't gotten that yet. And I don't have the thing hooked up to power right now, so that's why I can't turn the lights on. But anyway, even without the lights, this room still gets plenty of natural light, and so that's cool. We've got the loft built. Actually, this is going to be where this twin mattress is. This is going to be her guest bedroom, I guess. So it looks like a bunk bed up there. And I've started building trusses. So the next step is to pull this big boy out of the shop and put the roof on it. So we're planning on doing that tomorrow. But everything's coming along really nicely, and pretty excited about it. She's pretty excited about it. I'm excited to get this project done. But we've got all our plumbing hooked up. It's our water heater right there. Got our supply lines ready to put the sink in as soon as I get the countertop here. and hopefully that'll be Monday. And then by Monday too, we should have the roof on, and then we'll have to do the interior insulation for the ceiling, and then also the interior finish work on the ceiling, and then put some trim and stuff on it. So, but pretty cool. Hope you enjoy the video, and then after we get the roof on and basically get everything buttoned up, and she's got some furniture and stuff in here with some of her decorations, I'll make a final video with kind of a video walkthrough of everything we did on this little tiny house.